ngifuna ukuthi uphakamise izandla zakho.
Lift up your hands.
Angazi ukuthi amaSyria aphake ngayiphi.
I do not know the Syrians that are against
I
you.
don't know what's coming against you.
Andiyazi ukuba intoni echasene
But I
nawe.
have come to decree and declare
Kodwa ndizothetha ndisazisa
ukuthi nalena uzoyihlula.
that you will also defeat this one.
Nalena uzoyinqoba.
That you will defeat and overcome.
Nakwesi sihlandla uThixo uzophakamisisana.
Even here, God will lift up his hand.
Anginandaba ukuthi puzzles are not coming into place.
It does not matter ukuthi izinto azikahlangani,
But nakwesi sihlandla
but even now,
lo ngihamba naye akavele.
the one that I'm working with, let him show up.
Makaphendule imithandazo yakho.
Let him answer your prayers.
Makakuphakamise.
Let him lift you up
Aphakamise abantwana bakho.
and lift up your children
Asuse ihlazo endlini
and
yakho.
remove shame from your house.
Inkosi ithi angikutshele ukuthi uhlekiwe kwanele.
The Lord is telling me to tell you that it is enough.
Bahleka imeko yakho.
They've been laughing at your problem.
Ngifuna ukuthi uphakamise izandla. Umcenga uNkulunkulu wami
And asked my father,
to give you a revelation.
akuphisi chile,
To give you a revelation.
akunikis chile.
Hamba with a revelation.
Go and walk ngesichile.